Hey, what's going on, people? This is Linux Android, and today I have a very special video. I have the brand new Huawei Mate 20X in the house. It's brand new, and this is an unboxing. I already took off the plastic because I did an unboxing first on Spanish. My Spanish YouTube channel is Scott Android, and if you wanna listen or watch videos in Spanish, go to my channel, subscribe, and watch, and I will appreciate that. Thank you. And this is the English version video of this phone. I've been wanting to get this phone since it was announced about 4 months ago, and this is the Huawei Mate 20X. And for those who don't know about Huawei, Huawei is a big company. They're number 2 right now in phone sales worldwide. They already passed Apple. They're just behind Samsung. And it's impressive what Huawei has done. They have started, small, and now they're huge. And I know right now, recently, there's been controversy with the U.S. government against Huawei because supposedly Huawei is working with the Chinese government and it's national security concerns and all that stuff. But for me, I just see it as political, and I think all companies have a black background. Everybody's not, it's not free of any sins. And I just wanted to try a Huawei phone. This is my first time buying a Huawei phone, and I remember I wanted to buy the Huawei Mate 9 2 years ago. Also the Mate 8 about 3 years ago caught my attention, but I never bought it. And last year's Mate 10, it didn't catch my attention because it was so similar to the iPhone and the Galaxy. It was like a clone. And this year's Huawei flagship phone, the Mate 20 Pro, in my opinion, it's just a clone to the iPhone and the Galaxy S9 Plus. And I don't like that. But when I heard about this phone, the Mate 20X, it really caught my attention. I'm a tall guy, 5'11", I got large hands, so obviously I need a big phone. And this is a big phone. 7.2-inch screen, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. It has Huawei's own Kirin, I believe it's the 760 or 778 processor. And it has 3 cameras, 40 megapixel. One of the cameras, wide camera, and I think the main camera is 12 megapixels. And this is a flagship phone, one of the best. Really big phone. I bought it from eBay from the user Never MSRP. He's really popular. He's good. He has a good high rating. And I bought it brand new for $780. On Amazon, I saw it for around $820. So it's a good price. But it is a little pricey. But it's not overpriced, like over $1,000. So let's open this bad boy right here. And this, one more thing. This is the model EBR L29. And you might ask yourself, what's the difference? As you don't know, in China, the Google apps, the Google Play Store, is not allowed because of Chinese government. Obviously, it's a communist country. So this is the global version included with the Google apps, and you can use the Google Play Store. So this is definitely the model you need. So if you want to buy this phone, make sure you get this model EBR L29. So as you can see, this is the phone, and it's a big phone. If you're not into big phones, this is not a phone for you. Look at this. Look at this. Big phone. You got a speaker grill. You got USB Type-C. You got microphone. You got your SIM card and SD card tray. Another microphone. Another speaker grill. It has front stereo speakers. And you got a headphone jack. Look at it. And it has also the IR blaster. I don't know if you remember the IR blaster. Back in the day with HTC and the Galaxy, old Galaxy phones, you could control, TVs, air conditioners, everything with your phone. Well, kudos to Huawei that is still offering that. I think it's only I think it's the only company that's still offering that on a flagship phone. You got your camera right here, fingerprint sensor. You got your volume rocker, and you got the power button. You got the notch. It's a water drop notch. It's a small one. It's not ugly like the iPhones or OnePlus or the Google Pixel 3 XL. That's an ugly notch. So this is the phone. So let's see what we have in the box. You got your SIM ejector, and you also got a case. Kudos to Huawei that offers that. Not many companies do that. Many companies don't even include a dongle or a fast charger. I'm talking about you, Apple. So that's good. It's a cheap case, but it works for right now. You got your USB Type-C cable. You got some earbuds. And I guess this is the European, I guess this is the European charger. Well, I don't need it. It also, the seller also sent me this. I guess this is a Chinese charger. So I will have to probably use a different, charger to use this phone. I guess because this one's not intended for the US market, that's why there's no charger for the US. It is what it is. So this is about it. The Huawei Mate 20X. Oh, one more thing. Its screen protector is included. It's not a fancy glass screen protector, but I like this. I think all companies should offer a regular screen protector. So in the meantime, when you use it, it doesn't get dirty or nothing. And when you buy a new screen protector, you just peel it off and put the new one on. I think that's great. I think all companies should offer that. It doesn't matter if it's a cheap screen protector or a cheap case. What it matters, is that it's offering that, and I like that. I respect that. So kudos to Huawei for that. So in the next couple of days, I'm going to be using this phone, and I'm going to make a review, both in Spanish and English, about this phone's performance, the camera, and the battery life. And I'm going to tell you with an honest answer how good is this phone. And I'm basically a guy who's starting my channel. I'm nothing big. I'm not one of those famous tech YouTubers. And nobody's sponsoring me. Nobody bought me this phone. I bought this phone with my own money. So I will appreciate it if you subscribe and like my videos. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just a regular guy like most of you. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.